halfway through. Now finally box. All set, ready to race number 1. Good luck to your winner take all choices. Gates open, they're off. And racing one slow out, number 1, Daudalero. Searching for the leader, we have King House on the far outside, grabs the early lead. Here comes Bleeze down on the inside, moving up in between runners. Primero de Marzo, 2 lines for back and forth. Entry number 6, that is Nostradamus. Hello, Gorgeous is running in 5th. Then comes Chloe Girl, I Don't Mind, and a long way back to Daldalero. Passing the one up Malpo, we have Bleeze by half line, followed by Primero de Marzo. King House is a very close third, is running on the outside, 3 lines for the back to Nostradamus. Here comes Hello, Gorgeous now pressing up on the outside, out to catch the 4th position as they reach the last 500. 2 runners keep on fighting it out for the lead, Primero de Marzo. Bleeze is running by the rail. King House remains in 3rd. Here comes Nostradamus, who's splitting horses, is running on the outside, it's the favorite. Hello, Gorgeous now coming from behind, 5 runners in the Battle Royale. Hello, Gorgeous, the favorite, now grabbing the leads now. Hello, Gorgeous by Lamang, followed by Nostradamus, Primero de Marzo, King House, and finally, Hello, Gorgeous, number 6, Nostradamus, Primero de Marzo, King House. I Don't Mind, Daldalero.